So, Christina,
So, Douglas,
what are you doing?
I am building a wreath. Like build a bear, it's build a wreath.
Ah, people out in YouTube land might be interested about this stuff. What are you doing now?
I am adding some more pine to this.
Okay, so you add a little bit of white pine and a little bit of cedar every now and then.
Yeah.
And what the size wreath you're working on?
This is an 8-inch ring size.
Okay,
So it ends up being, I don't know, you tell me what it ends up being.
18 inches
You know better the finished size.
finish size. It starts out a ring
Can I have?
like that.
So, yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay. And then once she gets these done, look at the beautiful balsam. Once she gets these done, it could end up looking like a blob, like this one. Don't take it personally.
Insulting my wreaths.
And then I trim them down with scissors, dedicated scissors to cut this stuff.
Yes, not good scissors.
And then she hand ties all the bows. Then they end up looking something like that. Here's some that she made earlier. And here's how everything kind of starts out. Like
No,
this.
it starts out as a tree.
Well, it starts out as a tree, and we cut the trees and we limb the trees, and then we have containers full of decorations, and then we have every kind of bow conceivable, and decorations here, and more bows here, and more bows here, and these things are for kissing balls, and that is what's involved in making Christmas wreaths. Piece of cake.